Hello students. So in last video we are going to revising our chapter number 7, that is the trigonometry. There we have seen, as I have posted the videos, two videos on my YouTube channel. I hope that you all seen that video and get it to remember how to derive the formulas from those figures or from the methods which I have described in those videos. So now here we are going to solve some more problems regarding to our exercise 7.1 in trigonometry. So let's start with our question number 3, that is the cos square theta plus cos square theta multiply with cot square theta is equals to cot square theta we need to prove. So I already told we always start from our left hand side part and need to prove to the right hand side part. So we starting our from the left hand side part. What our left hand side part is having the cos square theta plus cos square theta into cot square theta. I have already told you that we need to convert all the terms which represented in the left hand side, convert it into the sine and cos theta form. Okay, here we have already got the cos theta, here also cos theta, but here we are having the term that is the cot square theta. So we will convert this cot square theta into the sine theta or cos theta. Okay, but before that we here seeing that the cos square theta is we can take the cos square theta as a common value from this term and from this term, both of terms. So let's start our solution. Here we first step is we will going to taking common this cos square theta. So here the first term will remain with only 1 plus here cos square theta is we get as a common as an outside of the bracket, and here remaining is an cot square theta. Okay, now further what will we do? Here we knew that the cot square theta, our cot theta is equals to what? Cot theta equals to what? Cot theta we know that it is an cos theta upon sine theta, correct? So here we put that value cot theta, here cot in place of the cot square theta. So cos square theta 1 plus here the value is an cos square theta divided by sine square theta, correct? Okay, now here we will going to take an LCM. Here the value is an 1, we can write in it this 1 upon 1, we can write here the in the denominator we can write 1, that will not affect it. So cos square theta bracket, here what the LCM will come? Sine square theta. Okay, then what will write here upside? Here is an sine square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, now as we know that here that our sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. We knew this formula. I hope you all remember these formulas which I have derived in our last videos. Okay, please go through those videos. You will, if you see those videos 2 or 3 times, you will not no need to remember or no need to learn all those formulas in trigonometry. You can derive all those formulas during the run time, during the examination time also, in just in 1 minute. Okay, so please go through those videos for 2 to 3 times. Okay, now here we knew that sine square theta plus cos square theta is an equals to 1. So what we can put here value sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So here putting 1, and here is an sine square theta. So here after multiplying with cos square theta dividing by sine square theta, here we get the value is an as a cot square theta. So here is an our right hand side. So we can say right hand side is equals to left hand side. Okay, correct? Hello students, our next question we are going to taking is the question number 6 from our exercise 7.1, that is under root 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus sine theta is equals to, we need to prove that sec theta minus tan theta. here is in on our left hand side and it is on our right hand side. Same process we will need to solve this problem. We start from our left hand side part. So let's write this minus sine theta divided by 1 plus sine theta. As I already discussed in our previous video that if we get any value like this in a denominator, 1 plus sine theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus sine square, 1 plus sine, 1 plus 2x, like these values if we get in a denominator, we always do the rationalize. Okay, so here I am going to rationalize 1 plus sine theta. What is the rationalized value? Its opposite sign, 1 plus sine theta here. So here we will rationalize by the 1 minus sine theta. Okay, and dividing by 1 minus sine theta. Okay, dividing, multiplying with same number and dividing by also same number. Okay, so we multiplying this numerator value with this value. So what we will get here in our numerator, 1 minus sine theta whole square dividing by here we can apply the formula of a square minus b square is equals to what? A minus b multiply with a plus b. So here this portion is over a and this is b, this is a and this is b. So we can write this 1 square minus sine theta square. We can write it in this form, and here we knew that our formula is and that the sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So I can write here that the cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sine square theta. I can write this also. So here this value I will put at here. So I will get that the 1 minus sine theta whole square dividing by cos square theta. Now this is also a square and this is also a square, so a square and this square root will be cancelled out. So we will get here value is an 1 minus sine theta divided by cos theta. Now we can separate these values. Okay, so I can write this in as this manner also. I can write this in this way also. 1 minus sine theta divided by cos theta can also be written in this way, 1 by cos theta minus sine theta by cos theta. Correct. So here what is an 1 by cos theta? As we know that here 1 by cos theta is equals to what? Is equals to what? Sec theta, and sine theta by cos theta is equals to our tan theta. So putting this value, we can say that the sec theta minus tan theta, this is an our same as an our left hand side. So our left hand side is equals to the right hand side. Hello students, now we are going to solving our question number 10, that is the sine 4 theta minus cos 4 theta divided by sine square theta minus cos square theta is equals to 1. How we solve this? So here we going to start. Here we can write this thing in the form of sine square theta whole square minus cos square theta whole square divided by sine square theta minus cos square theta. Okay, now here we having our formula, that is an a square minus b square is equals to a minus b into a plus b. We applying this formula at this on this term. So here we will be get that the sine square theta minus cos square theta multiplied with sine square theta plus cos square theta divided by sine square theta minus cos square theta. Here we are having this same value as in our numerator also. This whole value will be cut by. So here we remaining with our sine square theta plus cos square theta. So as we know that our formula that the sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So by this we can put that the value this is an equals to 1. So we have get that the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. Okay. Our next question is question number 14, that is 1 minus tan square alpha dividing by cot square alpha minus 1 is equals to, we need to prove that the tan square alpha. So how we will do this? Start with from our left hand side. Okay, so here I am writing this tan square alpha dividing by, here now the cot square alpha, and we need all the term in the form of the tan square, so I will convert this cot square theta into the tan theta form. Okay, so I can write that we know that the cot theta is an opposite of the tan theta. Okay, so by writing this at here, we can write cot theta is equals to 1 by tan square alpha minus 1. So here by taking an LCM of both these numbers, I can write here under 1. So what the number will come at here? Tan square alpha 1 minus tan square alpha dividing by tan square alpha. So here by rationalizing, or by 1 minus tan square alpha divided by 1 minus tan square alpha multiply with tan square alpha, it will come an upside. Okay, correct. So here this and this value same, it will be cut and we remain with an tan square alpha. So our left hand side is an equals to right hand side. Okay, now students, the question number 20 I have already done in previous video. Okay, so please go through that video. Okay, now students, we are going to solve a question number 23rd, that is the square root of sec theta plus 1 divided by sec theta minus 1 need to prove equals to cot theta plus cosec theta. Okay, so same process we will do it here also. Left hand side, here this is an right hand side, we start with from our left hand side, that our left hand side is an sec theta plus 1 dividing by sec theta minus 1. Okay, so here we will first write, I have already told that we always convert the left hand side portion into a sine or cos form. Okay, so here we know that the sec theta we can write in the form of the 1 by cos theta, correct. So here we are putting the value of that, then we get 1 by cos theta plus 1 divided by, here this is an whole root. Okay, 1 by cos theta minus 1. So here taking an LCM of these numbers, then what we will get at here? We get it here 1 plus cos theta dividing by cos theta, the whole divided by 1 minus cos theta divided by again cos theta. Here cos theta and cos theta will cut it out, so we'll get remained with under root of 1 plus cos theta dividing by 1 minus cos theta. So now here we getting in denominator, as I already told in previous questions also, that if we get denominator value like this 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta 1 plus sin theta in term of this, then we always do the rationalize. Okay, so here also we do the rationalize. So what we will do here, we do 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta multiply with 1 plus cos theta divided by also same 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so from here we will get that so here, as we know that this is an A, this is an B, this is A, and this is B. This makes our formula A square minus B square. Okay, is equals to A minus B multiply with A plus B. So I can use that formula, and here this same value and this term is this term, both term are sum and same, then they are multiplied, they will become an whole square. So 1 plus cos theta a whole square divided by, it will becomes 1 square minus cos square theta. So I can write that the sine square theta minus cos square theta is plus cos square theta equals to 1. So I can write that this sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So putting these values in these formulas, I can write that the 1 plus cos theta whole square divided by sin square theta. On removing these square root, the square's values will be cut it out. We will get remain 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta. Okay, now by separating this, we can also write that this 1 by sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta, correct? So I can write that 1 by sin theta as an cosec. We knew that 1 by sin theta is equals to our cosec theta, and cos theta divided by sin theta is equals to our cot theta. So by putting these values, we will get that 1 by sin theta, we can put it as an cosec theta, and cos by sin theta is equals to our cot theta. So here we get our left hand side is equals to right hand side. Okay, hence proved. Now after this, our question number 26 we have already discussed in previous video. Okay, do that. Hello students, now we are going to solving our question number 29th, that is if sec theta plus tan theta is equals to p की वैल्यू दे रखी है sec theta plus tan theta. Okay, so and here we need to prove that the p square minus 1 divided by p square plus 1 is equals to the sin theta. So here we will take this value as an p square minus 1 divided by p square plus 1. Here we put the values of the p that is given to our in the question, that is p is equals to sec theta plus tan theta. Okay, so by putting this value, we get the term as an sec theta plus tan theta whole square minus 1 dividing by sec theta plus tan theta whole square plus 1. Okay, now by opening the formula, as we having the formula that is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, correct? So by this we will expand this value, sec square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta minus 1 dividing by sec square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta plus 1, correct? Here we are going to write that the sec square theta here with minus 1, so I can write this like sec square theta minus 1 plus what the remaining is tan square theta plus this. So I will write it here that the tan square theta plus 2 tan theta sec theta divided by, here what we are going to take, that the sec square theta tan square theta plus 1 sec square theta plus tan square theta plus 1 plus 2 tan theta and sec theta. So here we knew that our formula that the 1 plus tan square theta is equals to what? Sec square theta, correct? I hope you remember all the formulas and you go through my previous videos. Please go through the previous videos. Okay, so here we will get by putting the values, that is the 2 we will be getting the value as an tan square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 tan theta sec theta dividing by sec square theta plus sec square theta plus 2 tan theta and sec theta. So here what we are getting, this and this, 2 tan square theta plus 2 tan theta sec theta divided by 2 sec square theta plus 2 tan theta and sec theta, correct? Now here what we do, taking the common of the 2 tan theta, what the remaining inside, that is the tan theta plus sec theta, okay, and dividing by, here also we taking common 2 sec theta, that will remain with the inside, that is sec theta plus tan theta, okay. Then this value will be cut it out, here 2 will be cut it out itself, then we can get here tan theta divided by sec theta, and we knew that the tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta, and our sec theta is equals to 1 by sin theta. So by putting these values we will get like the sin theta divided by cos theta divided by 1 by, sorry, this is another cos theta. So here it is an cos theta will cut it out, we remain with our sin theta. So it is an, what we need to prove, we have proved, okay. So students, please do all the remaining questions of your exercise 7.1 to your notebook, and please go through those videos which I have posted on my YouTube channel. You will get to learn all those formulas very easily. Thank you.